Good morning guys, it's Sheri and welcome back to Vlogmas day. Actually I don't know what day this is going up. So last night was the Christmas party at Magic Kingdom and it was so fun. I love Christmas and the holidays, which is probably why I loved it so much more than the Halloween party. My mom and I had a ton of fun. To be fair, the cookies are not that great, so I feel like if you're gonna go to the party, you can not get the cookies because I didn't think it was that great. But right now, it's the day after, so it's Friday, and I am supposed to get a furniture delivery today between 1 and 3, even though my phone says 10 to 12, but whatever, it says 1 to 3. That's what they called and told me. So it's 9:30 right now. I'm going to hop into my car, get to Target and Publix, be back here by like 12:30, 12 o'clock, probably 12 o'clock I'm gonna aim for, and then just wait for this furniture delivery. Obviously, as you can see, I am back in Florida and in my apartment, which my mom was so kind and cleaned yesterday, like really cleaned. I have not been in my apartment since November 19th, so it's been 4 weeks since I've been here. So yeah, this apartment was super dusty. It just hadn't, you know, I had a ton of boxes and stuff. So now I'm just gonna grab all my stuff and we're gonna get in my car and go to Target. So I have been meaning to take this off because, as you can see, it's like super faded, and I have this tool called the little chiseler that's supposed to help me. So I just realized I haven't been vlogging at all and I look like such a mess, but I barely vlogged yesterday, and then I didn't do it today, and it is, what time is it? It's 7:05. Right now what I'm doing is I'm actually making that cozy autumn wild rice soup that I mentioned in a previous vlog. I'm just making it right now. It takes 4 hours if I cook it on high, so it'll be done around 11, which is fine. My slow cooker is very small because I am just one person. I don't need a huge one, so I had to really condense this, or not condense, I had to really adjust the recipe because my slow cooker is so tiny. It looks a little bit like a mess, but I thought I would just show you what I'm making. This is my little tiny Crock-Pot slow cooker. It's meant for like 2 servings or something, but I'm gonna go a little bit crazy and put in probably too much food. Right now what I have in it is chicken thighs, not all of them. I only put in 3, mainly because this is supposed to really be a vegetable soup, but I just thought I'd add in some chicken. And then I'm using this. This is the Trader Joe's chicken bone broth instead of stock, and this actually had about 2 cups in it, so that was perfect. And then I'm going to put in 1/3 cup of wild rice, and I might actually put in a little bit more. I'm just using this brown rice medley from Trader Joe's. I'm just going to put in a little bit more rice. And then I'm going to put in my mushrooms. And actually I'm just gonna put in all of the vegetables. So I have mushrooms, sweet potatoes, onions, carrots, and some garlic, some minced garlic. Okay guys, I have no idea if I'm doing this right. I literally look insane. My hair is crazy right now. I'm gonna have to straighten it. I used the Trader Joe's seasoning salt because I don't have Old Bay seasoning, and it just smells like it would probably taste good on this. And I just put the lid on, and I turned it on to high, and then I guess we'll see. I have no idea if this is on or not, but I don't know. Like, this one is just like such a basic crock pot, but I'm assuming yes. so it's getting kind of late. I'm still cooking the food in the slow cooker. I knew it was going to take a while, so it's fine. But I decided, since my hair, I don't think you can really tell so much in the camera unless I get up. Yeah, so like, I don't know if you can see it, but my hair is just super frizzy right now. Like, look at this. My baby hairs that never get very long, they are just so wavy and so frizzy. So I'm going to straighten my hair. This bottom layer doesn't really need to be straightened, but I thought I would just show you guys what I'm doing because I haven't been vlogging because this is so hard. I think part of it is I just worked today and then I didn't really do anything else, so it's not very interesting. If you were wondering what straightener I use, because actually you might not be, but I want to talk about this one. This is the Kristen S hair straightener. It's her new line at Target that she just released of hair styling tools, and I only got the straightener because one, I've had my chi since high school and it was just tugging at my hair so badly I needed to get a new one. So I saw this one and I thought it looked really nice. I like that like satiny velvet smooth feel of the straightener, and I like that it's white. Thought I wouldn't like it because this probably will get dirty pretty fast, but I like it so far. It doesn't pull at my hair, and then it also comes with this little sleeve so that when you travel you can just put the barrel in here, which I really like. And also, according to the box, you can use this to straighten your hair, wave your hair, and then curl your hair. I used to curl my hair with my straightener when I was in college, and I like that this one has more rounded edges to it. So I think it actually looks like a curling iron when you have it put together, which is not what the chi looked like. So yeah, I'm just gonna straighten my hair and then I'm gonna edit this video and I will show you guys the soup tomorrow because honestly, it is 10:20 right now and it probably still has like another 45 to an hour, so 45 to 60 minutes left to go. I am gonna stay up a little bit, but I just don't know if I can be bothered to vlog later on. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.